Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall League of Legends. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So here we are on my desktop. You can see I've currently got League of Legends opened. So what you want to do first is come out of League of Legends. So you want to cross this off by clicking across in the top right hand corner and then click onto exit. So next you also want to make sure that you come out of the Riot client. So to do this, come down to the bottom right hand corner and you want to click this arrow down here where it says show hidden icons. So you're going to see the right clients here. What you want to do is right click and then click onto exit. You're now going to be able to uninstall League of Legends properly. So next, what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the search icon and go ahead and type remove programs into the search box under the best match. You want to open up the add or remove programs app, and from here in the search box at the top, you just go ahead and type League of Legends. So you can see that's come up here. All you need to do is click onto this, click onto the uninstall button and then click again to uninstall. So you see that's now going to go ahead and uninstall this game successfully. You can see the game has been successfully uninstalled. Now make sure you do exit the right clone first of all, otherwise this will not work. Once that's owned, you will be able to successfully uninstall League of Legends from your system. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.